Everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can unrestrict account on Instagram. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram application. You'll be appear with the home page of Instagram, and on the bottom right corner, you can see the little profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. On the top right corner, you can see the menu bar or three lines. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see the restricted accounts. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on continue. Now the data or the account that you have restricted will be shown or visible in here. And if you want to unrestrict it, you can just simply go ahead and tap on unrestrict and you are good to go. So that's all guys. This is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.